Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we are going to be touring one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Ghana, and we're talking about a neighborhood that when you talk about places like Embassy, industrialization, restaurant, different types from different nationals, like international restaurants, cafes, clubs, pretty places in Ghana. You cannot talk about anywhere in Ghana apart from talking about this place. And we're going to be touring Cantonments. Just stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Tell me what you think, and I'm going to share my honest impression to seeing this part of Ghana for the very first time. You know, you guys told me to check out these places that time. I was like, okay, but why is everybody saying visit Cantonment, visit Cantonment? Today I'm going to be doing it, and I'm so excited to share with you people. So let's go.
So you know, Cantonment is more of like it's no more residential.
It's more of
there are institutions, a lot of institutions there, and most of the embassies are there around the country. But the most expensive residential is the Trasacco.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Where is that one?
Trasacco is around East Legon.
East Legon. Okay. Oh wow.
More segregated community, so you need access inside.
Okay. Like an estate.
Yes, an estate.
But we can have access there. We can have access there, right?
Maybe if you know someone inside, then the person tells you yes, because you need to. There's a security element. You need to tell them what you want to do inside. So if you are not invited, they won't allow you in.
That's how some places in Abuja.
If you are not invited, they won't allow you.
Embarrass yourself. Now we need to make this up to the go
So which side with Cantonment start from?
Cantonments, you know this side
Cantonment.
is so just after the roundabout. That's Cantonment starts from just after the roundabout.
Okay, just after the roundabout. Okay.
So just this side is after the roundabout.
Cantonment. But like, what's the last part of the Cantonment?
That's airport. You know the airport, the different road.
I don't know. We're just visiting Ghana.
Oh, okay. So you are new here.
Yes.
So the Cantonment start from this side.
From here.
Yes.
To where?
So
Straight.
yes, you go straight ahead, and well, that place is almost at the airport wall. So it ends at the airport wall, then airport takes over from there.
Okay, how about airport residential area?
So airport residential area is, if you take the main road, the main highway,
Yes.
and then you get to 30, I don't know if you know 37. It's also a popular place.
Yeah. I just found out online that this expensive places in Ghana, and Ghanaians suggested that I visit this neighborhood.
So the airport residential is not far from Cantonments. So it's almost like the other side of Cantonments, on the left side.
So this is Cantonment.
Here.
You have built this side.
Down there.
Yes, there are a lot of, almost all the places are. But if you want to really see it well, you need to, because almost all the areas are nice. And,
Wow. This is wow.
This street is not too nice.
There are nicer streets ahead. High Commission of Togo. KFC.
This one street.
So this is Cantonment.
Yes, all here is Cantonment.
Cantonment.
Are you specifically going to American Embassy?
No, we just want to see Cantonment. That's why we just.
So I can take some future.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. But this part is residential.
Residential.
Yes.
Okay.
What's the name of this area?
Cantonment.
It's just Cantonments.
Now this is beautiful.
So maybe if you want to call it by the name of the estate, that one you need to confirm from their name. But there are a few estates here.
Okay, these ones are the residential areas.
Yes.
Chinese. Okay, Korean cuisine. Wow.
Yeah. American Embassies. Let's come back. I wanted us to take this place.
Wow.
Then we come back to Singapore. So we just go past the American Embassy and then
Okay. Is it?
So,
Yes.
so that's an eatery. I think it's it's an eatery, like a restaurant or something. The place we were talking about.
Embassy of the
This
US.
is the American Embassy. They usually don't allow photography, so
Be
you
careful.
need to hide your camera.
Huh? They don't allow no photography.
come and see.
What's this
That is
place?
French Embassy. This place is still part of Cantonments.
Wow.
This one is French Embassy. The next one.
Wow.
Which one is French embassy? This one.
The one, that yellowish wall.
The yellowish one. Now I understand why people say I should come to Cantonment, come to go to East Legon.
Well, yeah, I can feel you.
Oh yes.
Wow. And the fact that I've just been seeing penthouses since I came here. Like it's just it's surprising to me. I didn't expect to see penthouses.
This place for me it looks
Is this
nicer in the evenings.
Are you serious?
Very nice in the evenings. Far nicer than during the day.
The day.
Yes.
Because of the lighting.
Yes, because of the lighting. So the designs always show the lighting.
Wow.
So most of the buildings you will see during the daytime. It
Yeah,
doesn't look
nobody's
as nice
that's
as
my
it is.
phone. No.
Oh no, it's not your phone here. Ah no, it's too hard.
Wow, this is nice. A key design concept. Wow. See this penthouse. And it has wait, is it like a plaza? Is this a plaza?
It's a plaza, yes. But they also have, you see, I was saying this place has some institutions. You
Oh
can see
my
the
God.
malls, the shopping centers, and the eateries and things,
So
restaurants.
beautiful.
A lot of them are here. But the Transaco I was talking about, that place, you won't see anything like that. It's just residential.
Residential. I've seen this Bosphorus online a lot. This restaurant a lot. Yes. This Bosphorus, see it. I've seen it online very well.
And this place we get here in the evening, you will like it.
Wow. Wow.
What did they see is cantonment?
Yes, all here. Well, from this side is Laboni. Well, Laboni is almost like they are almost with cantonments.
So this is all of Cantonment.
No, not all.
Please show us the other
So
part.
let's go to the other side.
Come on. Wow. The restaurants here are very beautiful. Like you will see massive building, you'll be shocked that they're restaurants. Gallery. Galleria.
This thing should have been in the evening. But if you have time, maybe David, you can still come around and check.
Wow.
It's far nicer in the evening.
What the?
It's changed like this.
I'm even jealous of where you stayed because it's actually very the nice party on this side. So this for Chinese, right? This is Chinese.
Yes, it's a Chinese.
The amazing part is that some of the buildings here are mostly cafes. See,
Yes.
cafes,
These restaurants.
restaurants.
No residential areas.
We've passed some residential areas. Did you notice?
The residential areas are mostly the estates. During the evenings, this place is very lively. There are a lot of clubs around.
Oh,
Some of them
really?
some of them you won't see. Very nice ones. But they are there. So unless in the evening when you see you come all this place will be packed.
Wow.
But during the day if they don't show you that there's a club, you won't know.
Wow.
So like if they are talking about the rating of the five like most expensive places in Accra, this cantonment now will be at what position?
Yes, it will. If they are talking about 5 years, it will make
The top five
the top 5 years.
as number one.
And they place it around 3 or something.
Three.
Because if you are talking about residential, I'll place it around 3. But if you are talking about like all these cafes, restaurants, and
Yeah.
you know that kind of thing, it may even come first.
Oh.
Yes, that one will come first.
Because
Yes, we
So, but about the wow. I'm surprised to see a lot of tall buildings. I'm very, very surprised. I didn't expect it. I'm really, really surprised. What?
the huge house for this girl now.
I was thinking the tallest building was the one at number 1 Oxford Street. Wow. Wow. Nah, this is nice. What?
So this right side to me is a little of residential.
Is this still part of Cantonment?
Yes, still of this is the police headquarters.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
And we are at the back. Oh no, it's allowed.
What is allowed?
Oh, Jesus.
Life is not allowed to indicate. There's no indication.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
Because in Nigeria, once it comes to any military or paramilitary, don't dare raise your camera.
If it's not allowed, they indicate it clearly.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
So this is, I think, Chinese embassy or something.
Let me greet it to you.
The dog is so cute.
Hello.
Should I stop?
Your dog is so cute.
No, it's
Bye.
Japan rather.
Okay, Japan Embassy. This is actually similar to a place in capital of Nigeria, Abuja, known as Asokoro.
This
Yes.
side is residential.
This is someone's house, right?
Yes, there are houses.
Damn.
This place to be expensive.
Damn.
Both sides.
Wow. 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 Okay, I think we've passed here before. It's not this one. Or the other side.
Yeah, we have it to this side.
I have seen this building. Germany Court. Nice. So, but what is the number one, like the most expensive area in the whole of Accra?
That one, it's like it comes with a lot of arguments because, like I said, if I'm talking about like nightlife, I would choose Cantonments. But if you are
Okay.
talking about residency, I would go for Transaki.
Okay.
If you are talking about industries, there are other places you can talk about.
We're talking about residential areas.
So residential area, there,
Yeah.
I'll go for
Most
Transaki.
expensive residential areas.
Yes, that one I'll go for Transaki.
So, and Transaco is in East Lagos.
Yes, it's in East Lagos. Yes. But there are also very nice places around the airport residential area.
Can we also check the airport residential area?
Okay, so yes.
it was one of the areas. They told me East Legon. I think I've seen it
So you are
rather
done with
somewhere.
cantonment.
This side is part of Cantonment, but because we are going to a presidential, we can
Yeah.
proceed. So we use here.
Okay. So you just let us know where cantonment ends. It ends here.
Yes, for this purpose it ends here, but if we are still proceed, we can still proceed. Yes, this way.
Okay.
But if you are going the left side, it ends here.
Okay.
But this small part is still part of.
You see part of cantonment.
We just missed the tractor house. Left side of the that's the seat of the president.
Are you serious? You know you missed the seat of president.
Well, we
I
can
remember when I was
just
coming from the airport, everybody was like, "How don't you know? Why didn't your driver tell you that this is the seat of the president?" I was like,
Seat
"Are you
of the president.
seat of the
seat where the
president?
president lives.
Where he lives?" They said, "Why did he was?" They were like, "Why
You know
didn't your
where we are
driver
going to
tell
now.
me?
No,
Tell you?"
it's just a little. Where I
Can
tell
we make
them.
video there?
No, like just pass now, like
It's
this.
allowed, right?
They
There's
know
there's no. If
No, we
it's
are
not
not
allowed, they
allowed.
will indicate it.
Oh.
And wherever it's not allowed, they indicate it clearly. And if they don't indicate it and you get there and it's not allowed, in fact, they will tell you, they won't harass you, they will tell you that you cannot do it. It's only when you force yourself that they will also force you. But usually they will just tell you that you cannot do this here.
Yeah. And that's nice. At least they put down the instructions so that you know, like, when you fall, you are the one that fall.
Move before. So this road goes straight. This.
But that's the president. Is this still inside cantonment?
No, that place is called Kanda.
Kanda.
Yes. That side of the road. So this side is Cantonment, that side is Kanda. There's just a road that separates them.
Okay, so that means
Where
to
are we
say
going now?
So yeah, so this is
Seat of the president. Yes. Where is it?
just at the end of this road.
so. This is where cantonment ends, right?
That's where the flags are.
Jubilee House. I remember crossing it from the airport. See the seat of the president.
Yeah.
This building where you can see flags.
Wow.
Yes. I remember when I was coming from the airport, I crossed. They were like, "Why didn't your driver tell you that?" Everybody was like, "No, that driver did not do well." Seriously.